If you're in sales, here's how you can grow your business on LinkedIn. Every piece of business I've gotten over the last 4 or 5 years have come from my interactions on LinkedIn. If you're selling B2B, most likely your prospects are on LinkedIn too. So here's 5 things to keep in mind and approaches that have worked for me. 1. LinkedIn is a social network. Treat your outreach like you would if you were trying to make a friend. 2. Learn about the person and the company with whom you're trying to connect. Look for their successes and company initiatives where your solution can help. Help is the key word here. If you don't have a helping mindset, you're way behind. 3. Once connected, publish content that is helpful to them and or their business. 4. Comment on their posts with ideas they may find valuable and helpful. 5. Once you establish a trusting relationship, it is okay for an ask. For example, Britney, I see you are opening a data center in upstate New York. We helped DataPower make a seamless transition with their data center move. Would you like to learn about the process we use to help them? I get too much connect and pitch. Don't be that person. It doesn't work anyway. The approach I just suggested takes time, requires consistency, provides value, and has no shortcuts. Is it easy? No. Is it worth it? Absolutely. I hope this helps you.